Removing objects with content-aware fill. I have an image that is a brick wall with a door in it, but it does have some distracting elements that I would like to get rid of. So I will first start with this lamp. I just have the lasso tool, and I'm just going to make a selection around the lamp, just loosely around it, making sure to include its shadow. And I accidentally selected some of the divots from the door. So let's zoom in and refine our selection a bit. So I'm holding down Alt or Option. And with the lasso tool, once again, I'll just include that divot there. And likewise with that one. All right, now our selection is made, and we'll go to Edit and Content Aware Fill. That brings up a workspace that shows us these are the shaded in green are the pixels that Photoshop is guessing will fit well in this area that we're trying to replace. So it's going to choose pixels from there to fill in here, and it's going to try to blend them appropriately. And this middle section is showing you the result, which looks really good. The only setting that we need to make here is make sure that it's outputting to a new layer. And then just hit OK. And we have a new layer. And I'll just call this lamp, so we'll know what was there. Alrighty. Now I'd like to replace this little chimney or vent. It's kind of distracting. I'd like to have just a flat wall. So let's make another selection. This time we'll use the polygonal lasso tool. So I'll start here at the top. And I'm making sure to get the shadows of the object that we're trying to get rid of. And then we'll just draw a loose selection. Alrighty. And one thing to make sure of is make sure you're on the layer that has the pixels that you're expecting to replace. So we'll make sure to select the background and then go to Edit and Content Aware Fill. And if we scroll over, once again, you see the green is representing the area that we want Photoshop to gather pixels from and place in this selected area. And it looks like it's doing a pretty good job. So I'll just hit OK. And there we go. We have a new patch, and we'll call this Vent. Alrighty, so our image is complete.